Put the egg in the basket. Put egg inside.
Look at this one.
Yeah, like this one. And then you close it.
Let me try.
Go eat that one. Go eat that one. Then you have stamp. See? You have a stamp.
Uh-oh.
Go open them and put candy inside. Put candy inside and close it. Happy Easter!
I don't know how to. I don't know how to.
Let me see.
What's this, Grandma?
That's the nest.
Look up at it. What's the color? I want to use. Grandma, the way this is working.
Mm-hmm.
Where's mine, Grandma?
You put the egg like this.
I
and
can't
then,
see mine.
And then you close like that.
I want to put it.
Oh, that don't fit. We're gonna put a sticker. Where your sticker are?
Oh, where's the